have soy chunks, and here we have carrots, onions, garlic, and our white rice. So first thing we start with soaking our rice. We'll have, whoops, 1, 2, and 3 cups of rice. We're gonna soak this rice, set aside, and we'll start with our onions and carrots and soy chunks. So here we have a big pot, and we're gonna put 1, 2, well, I'll say 2.5 cups, around 2.5 cups, between 2 to 2.5 cups. And we're just gonna cut them into strips. We finished cutting the carrots into strips, and we're gonna add it in the pot. Four carrots. Small onions. You can have maybe 3-4 big onions. I'm gonna cut into quarters, and then I'm just gonna cut it thin. So now we'll add grapeseed oil. I'll say to cook it around maybe between 15 to 20 minutes. It all depends on you. I like it when it's all brown and cooked well, and then I'll strain my rice and I'll add the rice in here. But let's add now spices. Salt and pepper. 1 teaspoon of salt, and 8 teaspoons of pepper, or 4 teaspoons, it depends on you. Into just big chunks. But you have to make sure that it covers just a little bit above, like an inch above. water. That's it. It's covering the rice, so it's ready to be covered with lid. And now I'm just gonna let it boil. And when it's boiling, I lower the heat and I'll cook it for 15 to 20 minutes. So it's been cooking around medium to high heat, and around 15 to 20 minutes. I'll say 20 minutes. Now we're gonna make a small pocket here. And we'll add garlic. As I said, you can add much more. You can add between 1 to 2 head. And we'll just cover it. Yeah. So now it's ready to reduce the heat to a lower heat, and we'll cover the lid again and we'll cook it for another 20 minutes. So you see how it's ready now, and I'm just gonna mix all together with the garlic inside. Wow, looks so good. Good, looks good and smells delicious. Right, guys? Daniel, right, Daniel?
Yeah.
Does it smells good? Because you're a ricey boy. You love rice.
I like the lazy boy. Boom. Boom. Shank.